In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a playlist on YouTube on your phone. If this video helps you out, please smash subscribe and hit thumbs up for more videos just like it. So you may have been looking at the Home tab, checking out your channel, and you want to go ahead and delete a playlist. If you go to the top right hand side of the screen where you see your channel icon and click it, it'll open up a page that looks like this where you can go to your channel by clicking Channel. And then you can go all the way to the right hand side where it says Playlists up at the top and click on Playlists. And here you can see all the playlists that you have made for your channel. Now you may be thinking you can edit them by clicking those three vertical dots on the right hand side, say for instance next to short YouTube tutorials. Click on that and look at that. You can go ahead and delete it from that section right there. Now you can also do this by going to YouTube Studio. So once again from the Home tab you can go up to your channel icon in the top right hand side of the screen, click on that, and then go down to below where it says your channel, it says YouTube Studio, click on YouTube Studio. That's going to open up your Studio app provided you do have it installed. Top left hand side of the screen you're going to see three horizontal black lines. Click on those three horizontal black lines. That'll open up your menu where you can go ahead and click on Playlists. Here you can edit them the same way. Say if I wanted to edit this short TikTok tutorials playlist, click on it. And then up at the top, you can see that little pencil next to the share icon and the YouTube symbol. Click on the pencil. That's going to give you the option to edit your playlist. You can change the name by simply typing a new name. You can change the description by simply typing a new description. You can change the privacy of your playlist by clicking on the down arrow and choosing a different privacy setting, public, unlisted, or private. You can change the ordering. For instance, you can make it manual, or you can change by date, change by most popular, or date of publishing. And if you want to delete your playlist, just down at the bottom in blue it says delete playlist. When you're all set with your changes, click save. We haven't made any changes, so I'm just going to go ahead and back out and return to my channel. I hope this video helped you out on how to delete a playlist on YouTube on your phone. If it did, please smash subscribe, hit thumbs up, and have an awesome day wherever you are. Take care.